Okay, so we're finding the gradient of a line. You see I've got 3 lines on there. The first line is AB. It slopes down. So what I am expecting is a negative gradient because all lines that slope down have a negative gradient. First thing, write down your coordinates. So minus 10, 8 is A, and B is minus 2, 5. Right, you'll see in the formula it says y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. If you can't remember, you can always label. So we've got x1, y1, x2, y2. Once you've done a few though, you just don't need to do that. So when we're talking about gradient, we use the letter M, and we're talking about the gradient A, B. So I'm doing y2 take away y1, so 5 take away 8 over minus 2 take away minus 10. Alright, so you can do that on your calculator. I generally do the top and then the bottom and leave it as a fraction because that's more helpful when we're doing equations of lines. So 5 take away 8 is negative 3, and minus 2 minus minus 10 is 8. So the gradient M A of AB, the gradient of AB is equal to negative 3 over 8. Alright, next one. So if we look at the next, write down your coordinates again. So we've got C, which is 0 along, 8 up. We've got D, which is 2 along, negative 6. Alright, so we're doing the gradient of CD. So y2 minus 6, take away y1, 8 on the top. Then on the bottom, we've got 2, take away 0. So minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14. 2 take away 0 is 2. Negative 14 divided by 2 is 7. So if you can cancel it down to a whole number, do that. So the gradient of CD equals negative 7. And again, that line slopes down, so we get a negative gradient. Last one is EF. So let's write those coordinates down. E is 2, 4. F is 7, 10. Alright, so we're doing the gradient of E, F. 10 take away 4 over 7 take away 2, which is 6 over 5. And again, I'm leaving it as a fraction. So gradient E, F equals 6 over 5.